G'day folks, quick little video just to show you a little tip on how to improve the support on the foot end of your queen size bed in your Caravan. Our Franklin Caravan, that really lacks some support down the back end there, causing the doona to slip off and not give you much to sit on. So what you need is a Bissa brand double shoe storage cupboard. They come in a flat pack. They're about $68 each. We bought two of them and cut them in half to suit the back end of the bed. You can get away with just one, but we opted to get two. So first off, you've got to measure the height of your existing bed base. Ours was exactly 450 millimetres. Then subtracting 15 millimetres to allow for the top of the cupboard. That brings it down to 435 millimetres. Measure the sides. Put some masking tape down to stop the chipping of the melamine. Get your saw out and cut a nice straight edge. I used a straight edge there to keep the saw nice and straight and gave it a nice cut. Next, just get your instructions out and assemble the cupboard as per the instructions. It's very, very easy. You can see assembly there. All you need is a screwdriver, Phillips and a flat. And pretty much you end up with something that looks like this. That's one unit and done. We assembled the other one as well, and with this, the backing board there, you can see there's a couple of small little screw holes. Rather than using the screws provided to fix it to the back of the bed, I used 5mm bolts. We have got a heater in our van, so we just had to make sure that we weren't going to cover up the vent for the heater outlet there, so fits up nicely up against that. Then laid the two completed cupboards next to each other, drilled the holes for the back, put some bolts through instead of the screws to hold it nice and firm, and that's what it looks like from the outside of the van. It all lines up nicely, and you can still grab the bed rail to lift it up, and fantastic now, no saggy back end.